Hello viewers, myself Dr. Vindoo and I'm a senior physician at Nation Care Homeo Clinic, HSR, Bangalore. Bearing a child is a boon to a female, but we have seen many females suffering with a lot of fertility issues. Along with that, some female would have also gone through missed abortion. What we call it as abortion. The termination of the pregnancy within 20 weeks of time span, we call it as abortion. It could be missed abortion, induced abortion through medications or surgery. A female can go through this abortion might be because of the developmental issues of the fetus or her own health. Along with that, she might also have some hormonal changes which leads to thyroid or diabetic complications. So due to various defects, genetic defects, chromosomal defects also, we can see a female who has to go through this abortion. So abortion is not something just ending off a life growing within you. It also has to deal with a mental health as well as the physical health. See, once the fertilization happens, already your body has accepted the pregnancy and already the changes in your body has started. So after the abortion, it is almost equivalent to delivering a child. So how long does the uterus or the body or the mental health takes to retain back to the health condition is the same time that takes even after a normal abortion. So, homeopathic point of view, preparing a female, because after the abortion definitely there will be another pregnancy planning which has to happen, but of course after a span of 3 months to 6 months based on the reason of the abortion. So, we just can't keep quiet and just wait for the time to pass on. We have to definitely help out the female in regards to the mental health, because she would have gone through a lot of mood swings along with the hormonal changes, and along with that the uterus is also got weakened, because abruptly stopping the development of a fetus can certainly lead to some changes in the uterus. So preparing the uterus and the female for the next pregnancy is very important. Homeopathic treatment help you to individualize the case. See, we know there is some genetic reason for your problem. So finding out the genetic reason and appropriately giving you the homeopathic treatment with genetically similarize with your mentality and your body and your individual, it will help you to regain the strength of the uterus and also try to regularize the hormonal synthesis which was abruptly disturbed due to abortion, along with that mental health. So homeopathic point of view, we also counsel the patient, because it is just not your body or the uterus or the monthly cycles, but the mental health is also important, because we have seen many people developing a lot of health issues like diabetes, like PCOD, acne issues, hair fall and thyroid issues post abortions. So mental health has to be maintained. So we help you with counseling and homeopathic treatment to come out of the tough phase after abortion. We try to figure out the root cause and what would have caused this abortion or the problem which led to abortion. After that, you are ready for conceiving the next pregnancy, where with homeopathic treatment with no side effects, you're all prepared to have a healthy pregnancy.